Hello everyone, I'm Kate and I'm here to walk you through how to find and remove third-party access granted to apps. Now what do? First of all, you open your settings, scroll down to Google, click on it, and wait for a few seconds for it to load. And here, you click on All Services. Scroll down, click on Settings for Google Apps, click on Connected Apps. Wait for a few seconds for it to load, and here you can see a list of all the apps you've given access to. Can you see them? So let's say this particular one you want to remove that access. What do? So you go, let's say I want to remove the access for AudioMac. I click on it, wait for a few seconds for it to load, and I can delete all my connections over here, and I confirm my deletes. I am no longer connected to AudioMac. If I want to reconnect, I'll have to do it again. So now I don't have any more connection with AudioMac. And that is how to find and remove third-party access granted to apps. If you have others you want to do, you can do it the same way. Let's say I want to remove access granted to ChatGPT. So I'll click on delete all connections, confirm. And that's it.